People have often asked me about the Akashic Records and what exactly it is. Well, I'll tell you a little bit about what my practice is every day. Every day I do a meditation, world healing meditation, a meditation for myself and my family and friends, a universal meditation for all people and beings. And then I open my Akashic Records to see how my day will be going. I find that if I don't open my Akashic Records each day, then I don't have my day go as it would normally be if I opened my Akashic Records. I find that if I go and open my Akashic Records, then my day is wonderful. I have the signs, the synchronicities. Everything isn't always perfect, but I find I have these little gifts that come into my life. The signs, the people, being in the right place at the right time. It all helps your physical body, you to have excellent health and well-being, but also to be in the right place at the right time, to meet the right people, to help you on your journey in life. Especially if you're looking for a job or trying to create something publicly or writing a book or being in that place where you want to be. It's about knowing that you have the ability within you to tap into the Akashic Records. You have the ability to have that knowledge from the Akashic Records brought into your life daily, in every way, in every single thing that you do, think, and feel, sense. It's about using your senses, your skills, knowing that when you go out through the door, you don't ask, which way do I go? You know intuitively. Your intuition will just kick in and you'll be starting to download into your body the energies from the Akashic Records. You will know which way to go and what to do. When I go shopping or anything, I don't go round and round in circles looking for one thing. I know instinctively, yes, it's going to be in John Lewis, or yes, I've got to go to Stevenage, or I've got to go to North America, whatever it is. I end up in the right place at the right time. And I always find that they show me the signs and synchronicities that I'm meant to see. Like yesterday as well, I came across more signs and synchronicities I should be looking and listening about the energies of church spires. Church spires are becoming more significant in the energies of place and with the work that I'm been doing recently with the energies of connecting to the energy lines within the UK, the church spire energies, and just by being in a church itself is being a synchronistic act. It's listening to the Akashic Records. Is this the right place, the right time? Where do I have to be? What do I have to do? And it's not all about having to do, it's just about being there at the right time in the right place. And I'm finding when I'm doing pilgrimages and I'm on these journeys, visiting these places, then I happen to be in the right place at the right time. And I'm just enjoying the journey with the masters of the Akashic Records and enjoying being in the records each day. And I hope you'll come and join me on this journey. Thank you for listening.